Hi everyone, I'm Stephen Lau from Group 6 and I will be presenting two subtopics which are market-based channel pricing and value-based pricing. Market-based channel pricing strategy is also known as segmented pricing, which means companies setting more than one price for a product without experiencing significant differences in the production costs. Here is one example as to how it works. The markets one sells into are as follows: the automotive market, pharmaceutical market, and the education market. The pricing strategy one uses on the first bucket, that is the automotive market, is called strategy A, so one can use a different pricing strategy, say strategy B, for a different market, say the pharmaceutical market, and strategy C for education market. However, one doesn't want to have different pricing strategies for markets that basically overlap. But if one has markets that are similar and one starts offering different pricing, it can become very confusing that a lot of customers can be very happy or unhappy if they found out that one sells to similar customer at lower price. Therefore, it is crucial to price differently for different market segments. Market-based pricing strategy is a very good way of approaching and maximizing, since with the knowledge that certain market segment is going to pay more, then one's able to know one can make more margins there. So let's say one knows that the pharmaceutical market will pay more, that is at $150 for the premium product, and the education market is not going to pay that much, that is at $125 for the same product, the premium product. Then the margin of pharmaceutical market will be bigger and margin of education market will be little squeezed. Still, one can make up for that in pharmaceutical market. So from the margin analysis standpoint, one can actually come out well ahead if this is done correctly. Having a pricing strategy at 3 different levels for different markets is a great approach. Nonetheless, one should be very careful with how one applies the marketing strategy.
To get informed about all future free webinars, just follow these 3 simple steps. First, enter your email address. Then, hit the subscribe button. A message will be forwarded to you. Confirm the message and you are good to go.